Hi, I'm Dick.
I'm Hope.
Here we are at Ikea.
Ugh,
Hope doesn't like Ikea.
I don't like it.
Here we are at Ikea. What do you think?
So far, not impressed. Plastic plants.
Womp womp.
Womp womp. So I hope they have some real plants.
How about over here? These real are plastic.
Plastic plants.
Let's go find the flower section.
Okay.
You ready, Persephone?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yay.
Dragon tree. Dracaena. Bamboo is a Dracaena. Snake's plant is a Dracaena. Corn plant is a Dracaena. So it's a wide range of plants. And these are $12.99.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Oh, I really like this.
Oh, the watering can?
Yeah.
This is a solid skull. $24.99.
Solid skull.
Oh, wow. Look at this little greenhouse.
I love the little greenhouse. How much is it?
I don't know. We'll probably sell it somewhere else. We're all over.
I think we should get this at some point in our lives.
Those would make such a good gift for someone. Tiny
Like-
greenhouse with two plants.
Like
in it.
for your fiance.
Yeah, like for your fiance.
I like that a lot.
You like that?
And more palms. This is the same palm, I think. A potted plant. It says $39.99. And it says it's in a 12-inch pot. On every plant, it has these symbols. So remember, this one is water sparingly. It has whichever one it is darkened in. It tells about the light, the temperature, is it edible or don't eat it, the size that it should grow to, etc. Really pretty orchids here for $14.99.
That's not bad either for that size.
No, and these are really pretty ones.
These are beautiful.
$14.99 with a lot of blooms on them, a lot of
One
buds.
day maybe we'll master orchids. They are pretty flowers. I just
Yeah.
never seem to do it right.
Okay, so let's go through this little table here. These are in a coffee mug, and it's a coffee plant. Coffee Arabica.
These are $7.99.
In a coffee
I
mug.
like that. It looks so fake, doesn't it? The leaves are so
Very
shiny and
waxy.
healthy. Yeah,
Waxy.
it's very healthy.
Okay, and then in a little 4-inch pot here, we have Bromelia, say something. Guzmania. And that one is $9.99. Okay, these, I know how to pronounce these. I've heard people say Kalanchoa, and I've heard people say Kalancho.
I think it's Cilantro.
I think it's
Probably
the
not.
other one, but they're really pretty. I don't think, for some reason when I see these, I think they don't last, but I'm sure they do. So these are $5.99, and then they have the smaller ones that are $4.99.
$4.99.
Way smaller. Oh, these are so cute.
They're very pretty. These make a good gift for like a little Mother's Day
Yeah.
and Valentine's Day. You can get 2 or 3 of them, make it look real pretty for some color. You have dark purple, light pink, and white. You get
Oh,
3
so
colors.
like a grouping of them for
Yeah,
Mother's
it
Day.
looks really pretty, right?
Okay, yeah.
And what do you
Nine
have?
do- $9.99.
Roses or 3 orchids with a bunch of different colors?
Oh, definitely 3 orchids.
3 orchids, yeah.
Oh, and there's some more down here of different colors too. Okay, now we're in the succulents. Well, some of them are not
This
succulents.
is cactus.
Cactus.
Gymnocalicium. That is $4.99. It is a grafted cactus.
Oh,
This is a Sansevieria.
these are cool.
Very cool.
I like them.
Yeah. Sansevieria there. And they are $9.99. And then we have some really interesting Sansevierias back here. Oh, these are so cool.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I mean, look at that. That is just really, really interesting. I kind of want it.
You like that?
I like it. $9.99. I mean, there's 5 of them. Who wouldn't want 5 of them?
I like it. It's cool. I think I like the smaller spikes better.
You would.
Oh.
Okay, and then here is the, now I forget what they're called. They're the ones that we just saw up front that were white.
Anthurium?
Is that what it is? Yeah, anthurium. Some aloe vera, which looks kind of healthier than the one I have at home. Actually, the one I have at home is bigger, but these are really fleshy and short and full and has more spikes.
The texture looks very healthy, don't it?
Very, very healthy. Here we found the price for it, $4.99 for the aloe vera in the 4-inch pot. Not bad. That's a good
really
price.
healthy looking too.
Yeah, these are, I'd get those. Those are good. So this one is a potted plant succulent. They're just going to say that for all of them. But it has 3 little aloes in this one. Actually, all of these I think are aloes in this
I'm going to do a fast scan.
in this whole area.
Not too
$12.99 for these. And then we have another Dracaena.
$1.99?
Wow. So that's the same thing we saw up front.
It's $1.99.
Yeah. That's really cool. $1.99 for that one.
Oh,
These are some more Dracaenas, different varieties. It just shows you how many kinds there are of Dracaenas. This is a Himalaya something. It's not going to tell the exact type. And then here's a pothos. Yeah, it's just Himalayan mix. These aren't good labels. Another Himalaya mix, supposedly. Peperomia. $3.99 for any of these here.
it's still not. It's not a
And
bad price.
selection.
On the bottom.
Yeah. This is a peace lily. Let's see if I can get it picked up. Spathiphyllum is the official name of the peace lily. And it is, how much?
I don't see a sign for it, do you?
No prices on the peace lily. Lots of little tiny succulents for $4.99.
$4.99 seems a bit pricey.
I think so, yeah. I think they seem pricey, and I'm not sure about the labeling on them either. Okay, that one does say aloe, so that one's correct. Maybe they are. I've been wanting something like this one.
What is that?
Oh, but it's not even rooted.
Oh,
So, yeah, I wouldn't buy those. These down here, these look a little overgrown and really handled, so I probably wouldn't get them either. I think I'd pass on these $4.99 succulents.
how about the cactus?
$9.99 for a 3-pack. I don't know. I'm not real probably up to date on cactus pricing. They look healthy though. Here we have some individual cactus for $4.99. You know, I guess they look good. Talk about fake looking. These are not fake. But doesn't that look like a fake
It's like a
plant?
perfect plant, yeah. What's it called?
Oh, I don't know how to say it. Zamioculcas. Zamioculcas, $9.99.
Something focus. There's more on the bottom here.
Yeah. I thought these were called ponytail trees.
kinda
But
like
they
them.
are called Bocarnea recurvata. Something like that, $9.99. I like them.
I
Yeah.
like them too.
They're cool.
Everything here looks fake, doesn't it?
That's because they're so healthy, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. That's a good one. And we have some more random succulents on this shelf. $3.99 for these. Okay, we didn't see the price of the pothos before. They're $7.99. And here they do actually say pothos.
I think we've seen their entire plant section, and we really liked a lot of the stuff we saw.
Yeah, I really liked the greenhouse. The little
greenhouse was nice.
Yeah, I like that. But I don't know where we would put it.
I don't know. It's a good gift idea.
It is. Have to keep that in mind. And maybe we'll make some space for it eventually.
Yeah, in the future. What do you think about going to Ikea to shop for plants?
I think if we come in through the refund area like we did and skip all the rest, I'm fine with it.
Okay, good. So you ended up liking Ikea. All right.
The plant section.
The plant section of Ikea. So thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
If you like the video, like it
If you want to say something, say it.
in the comment section. And subscribe. You don't have to.
But we'd like it.
It would be nice.
Thanks.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. This is not. This is a. I'm terrible at pronouncing names. Chameadorea elegans. I'm
Probably
sure
some
that's.
kind-